Shahjahanpur, UP, dated 12th November 1958. My dear Vardachari, I mark a peculiar thing in me that sometimes when I say I will do a thing, if God offers me an opportunity for it, I always fail to do it. I always fail to do it. For example, this time I have informed all South Indian associates that I shall be there in December 1958 if God offers me an opportunity for the same. But I find I am failing to do it. But when I fix time and date, I never fail to abide by it. I thought over it, and philosophically I arrived at the conclusion that when I doubt, I seek the will of God. The doubt itself brings the contrary result. संशयात् विनश्यति.
Doubt is poisonous. Doubt is poisonous అన్నాడు.
I shall therefore advise my friends and associates not to let doubt come to their mind in any form because the inner force makes it stronger. Swami Vivekananda has somewhere said, irreligious though it might be, that the weak is not helped by God. Weak is not helped by God. So, whatever we are to do, we must make our will firm and comfort and corroborate it with His will as far as we can. Your opinion about my health being due to some cosmic or super cosmic events may be correct. I find that something does come to me inwardly and it is diverted to others. But some of it definitely remains within me in the form of samskaras for the purpose of keeping up my life. As inner voice once revealed to me that a saint is the target of world sorrow and misery. I am glad to find that your perception of the abysses is mostly correct. And I assure you that it will always be so. The first impression which strikes with firmness is always correct. The first impression which strikes with firmness is always correct. If you doubt about it, that will lead you to wrong conclusions because it will create an adverse effect as you have He has power in you. That's correct. That's a really that is so. It is fact that you have been favored with a vision of my state, and you have also felt that I am occupying you, though not constantly yet. In this respect, I may say that Supreme, as you say, has taken charge of you. That is one of the reasons that the associates are spiritually benefited by your company. You do not feel it constantly, but the thing is there. The reason why you do not feel it constantly is that sometimes you are diverted to other work But when you again return to your own condition, you feel that. You are feeling that I am automatically with you when you remember me, and very often during satsangs is correct. Dryness which you feel is the foundation of the state that will lead to negation. Regarding invasion of thoughts, I want to know whether it happens at all times or at meditation hours or satsang. The thing is this. See, body, mind, all this is an equipment, just like that equipment. There is no use to fight with the equipment, because there is another thing is there in you and in him. Tishudamas bhojyam bhokta bhogascha tebbe vila sakshi chinmatraham sadashiva. Whether you are good or bad, a saint or a thief, it makes no difference for that power. This is happening in the body-mind. Tisudhamas bhojyam bhokta bhogascha. You know, karta, karma, kriya. At Jagrata, it's swapna and sushupti and all. In any plane of consciousness, except in Turiya, it happens. But you know that what is at that time, at that place, somebody is watching it. Sakshi. And is that Sakshi what you are, what me? Sakshi Chinmatram, all right, it is Sakshi. What is nature? Chinmatram, pure absolute consciousness. Sadashiva, always eternally blissful. That when you like it or not, it happens, but people may not be aware of it. Question, things are happening. People may not know it. That's the situation. Whether you know it or not, it is happening. See, whether you know it or not, it is happening. Even now also, when we are talking it, that thing is already happening. It, whether you know it or it is happening. If you know it, you profit by it. So all this doesn't come up. That my mind is not working, and this is nothing. It's an equipment, it goes on. Even, I am good, I am bad, not for something is watching that also. Understand? So naturally you are not that. You are not this body, mind, intellect. It's an equipment is happening. You must remember that. This body, mind, intellect is an equipment. And the ego, the consciousness of it, the ego is making it work. And that ego is also being watched by the Sakshi. The Sakshi what you are, not the ego, not the body mind. People do not know it. That's why it is there. It is happening like that. Only thing is this. We are living in a community, a society. Society has got its own laws and regulations. Whether you are saint or a sinner, it makes no difference for it. If you are a saint, the society respects you. If you are a sinner, it punishes you. Understand? It is going on systematically. Whether you are a big saint or not, it makes no difference for it, because we have seen it in our whole life. We have seen it. That Kanchi Acharya was put into jail for nothing, because at that time the Chief Minister of Madras, Jayalalitha, had bad opinion of him or something like something. He has not respected her. What happened? So she tried to take adverse of him by putting into jail for 8 months or 6 months, 1 year. Till it was gone to court and court decision has given, then he was freed. But he didn't mind it. He went there and there he cooked his own food and things are going on like that. That is the situation. Whether saint or not, it makes no difference. Society will go on doing according to its laws and regulations. Whether it doesn't respect you are a saint, if it feels that you are wrong with the not laws but the operator of the laws. So what somebody said, law is very cheap in India. Law is very cheap in India because the policeman who implements the law, for everything the officers who implement that law, that is the situation. Somebody has remarked, it is very cheap, law is very cheap in India. That's what happens. That's what happened also, that Kanchi, because of the Jayalalitha, they wanted him like that. So things happen, whatever it may be. But at that, though he was, as a Kanchi saint, he was respected. There also Sakshi Sakshi was observing this as a saint. When he was put into jail also, Sakshi, it was observing it, that what you are, what me, and what he was, and everybody is like that. So knowing has its own advantages. Knowing does not help us to go beyond the community laws and regulations, but it has got its own advantages. If you know there is money, you can make use of it. Though money may be there, if you are not aware of it, you can't make
use of it.
I already told you that story. So like that. So Sakshi Chinmatraham Sadashiva, that's what you are. Chinmatra and again. So your nature is Chinmatra, pure absolute consciousness. All this is consciousness only. It is the mind which converts into name and form format and limits it to small entities, Namarupa. What I find is that they are only at the other surface, the inner layer being quite clear. This process will help you in breaking Manomaya Kosha, mental trees. However, you will soon be feeling free of these surface thoughts as well by His grace. Your progress is not stopped, but I feel that at point D, there is some grossness which, when cleared, you will be sure that you are progressing. It is not a new thing with you, but is common with most of the abhyasis. Please write to me if you feel like some moving in a more congenial atmosphere. So saints may not have all favorable personal life. They may be having their own troubled personal life. That's what he was suffering. Though he was a professor philosophy in SV University, he was not treated well. The world has treated outside, but in the university, the administration, the vice chancellors have not treated him well. That's why he always feeling for that. You have rightly discovered that the point of Saraswati is active in you, but it is not fully yet. It will be so when the super consciousness of Trikuti is awakened. Trikuti is awakened thoroughly. I want you to come to it in a natural course. It's better. I will take